The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 4:30 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Muirnsted to near Fayette, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Unstead around 3:15 p.m. Clayton around 3:30 p.m. Adrian around 3:50 p.m. Tecumseh around 4 p.m. Britain around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tipton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan,